Want to sell products or services on your Wix website? Accepting credit card payments is essential. This video guides you through setting up secure and reliable payment options using Stripe and PayPal, two of the most popular payment processors integrated with Wix. By the end of this video, you'll know how to integrate these services, configure your settings, and test your setup to ensure smooth transactions. As of December 2025, Wix prioritizes enhanced security features, user experience, and regulatory compliance. Stripe and PayPal are leading payment gateways offering secure and reliable transaction processing. Stripe provides a customizable solution with transparent pricing at 2.9% plus $0.30 per transaction. PayPal offers ease of use and widespread recognition, also charging 2.9% plus 49 cents, but offering lower rates for high-volume sellers and has integrations with other services like Apple and Google Pay. Choosing between them depends on your specific needs, such as customization options, pricing preferences, and the payment methods you want to offer. To start accepting credit cards on your Wix site, you first need to enable Wix's e-commerce functionality by choosing an appropriate plan. These plans begin at $23 per month and provide the foundational tools for running an online store, including product management, order processing, and payment gateway integrations. The e-commerce plans include features like unlimited products, advanced analytics, and secure payment processing. To upgrade, access your Wix dashboard and go to the My Sites section. Then click Upgrade to explore available options. Select a plan based on your business size, whether you're just starting or need premium features. Without an e-commerce plan, the payment settings won't be accessible in your site editor. Additionally, ensure compliance with regulations like the EU's Payment Services Directive 3, which mandates GDPR and PCI DSS standards for secure data handling. To connect Stripe, go to Settings in your Wix dashboard, then click Accept Payments. Select Stripe as your payment provider. You'll be prompted to either connect an existing Stripe account or create a new one. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your accounts securely. You'll need your Stripe API keys, which can be found in your Stripe dashboard. Remember that fraud detection using AI and machine learning and real-time alerts for suspicious transactions can help reduce chargeback rates by up to 30%. To integrate PayPal with your Wix store, start by accessing your Wix dashboard and navigating to Settings, then select Accept Payments. This opens the payment configuration panel where you can manage your options. Next, from the available payment processors, select PayPal. This will initiate the connection process for your PayPal account. You can then connect an existing PayPal business account or create a new one directly through the integration. Make sure your account is upgraded to business level to enable payment acceptance. Follow the on-screen prompts to securely link your PayPal account. This involves authorizing the connection through PayPal's secure system. Once connected, PayPal provides seamless integration of Apple Pay and Google Pay on your mobile-optimized Wix sites, requiring no additional coding from your side. Here's an example of a successful payment response you might see in your integration, confirming the transaction details. Testing is crucial to ensure your payment setup works correctly. Wix offers a test mode that simulates transactions without real charges. Use test credit card numbers, such as Stripe's test card 4242, 4242, 4242, 4242, to simulate purchases. Simulate purchases and verify that email confirmations are sent correctly. Thorough testing helps identify and fix issues before going live, preventing potential sales losses. This includes mandatory two-factor authentication for merchant accounts. Here's a line of code illustrating a successful payment. Payment status equals successful. When setting up payments on Wix, you might encounter common issues that can be easily resolved. API key errors often occur when the keys from Stripe or PayPal are incorrectly entered or expired. Incorrect currency settings can cause confusion for international customers. Always ensure your currency matches your target market and is configured in Wix's store settings. Failed transactions may happen due to network issues or card declines. Test your setup thoroughly and review error logs in your payment processor dashboard. For troubleshooting, utilize Wix's comprehensive support resources, including forums, documentation, and help center articles. As final tips, Remember to regularly update your payment settings to benefit from new features and security enhancements. Stay informed about the latest security updates and compliance requirements to maintain a secure payment environment. Following these steps ensures a secure and seamless payment experience for your customers. As Stripe's CEO Patrick Collison noted, AI integrations will make payments invisible by 2030, reducing friction.